Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Steam overlays not appearing in the finals. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, make sure that your overlay enabled for the game. So you just need to right click on the game, then you need to go to properties and then make sure that enable the Steam overlay while in game is enabled. Same thing on the Steam settings interface, I believe, or in game, make sure this option is enabled as well. But still, if you do not see the overlay, what you need to do here is to completely close the game, then right click on the finals, properties, then you need to go to installed files, browse, and once you open up it should look like this. And then what you need to do here, you need to find discovery exe file, right click on it, go to show more options, properties, compatibility, and then check mark this, run this program as administrator, apply OK, run the game, and the overlay should work. Right, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.